Yo, what's up mga idol? Yan, Gilas Pilipinas versus Jordan. Poy Eram, nagpe-flex pa. Ito ang ating first five: Scottie Thompson, CJ Perez, Ange Kouame. At ang ating forward ay itong si Justin Brownlee at John Paul Eram o si Poy Eram. Ito naman sa Jordan, Dart Tucker ang kanilang dating naturalized player at ang bagong naturalized player na si Rondé Hollis Jefferson at si Said Bass. Pang Asian Games to mga idol. PBA player lang tayo sa kadalawang naturalized, no? Si Ange Kouame at si JB. Ganun din naman sa Jordan, dalawa kanilang naturalized, si Dart Tucker at Hollis Jefferson. Ang Kobe Bryant ng FIBA World Cup 2023. Home court tayo dito ng Jordan, no? So ayan, Scottie Thompson. Ayan, dadakdak na agad si CJ Perez. CJ Perez. Ang scoring, ang two-time scoring champion ng PBA pero binangko lang sa World Cup, no?
Jefferson, and there's the feed to Tucker. Pocket six.
Huli ka. Nice D-Poy. Naabangan. Scoring machine yan, si Dart Tucker.
Let's go quickly over the door spurt for an update.
Magandang matchup to. Hollis Jefferson sa si Brownlee. Rematch, no?
In a while, he'll kind of step out of his role and give you something like that.
Huli ka kay Thompson. Ibigay mo kay Brownlee. Lumipad agad pagkasambot, oh. Ano nagawa si Rondé?
Smooth and graceful. How about the hang time? That's impressive.
No, napasabay ako. Patay yan. Lista mo na. Naku. Tama na sa labas ka.
If you're just tuning in, we played about 2.5 minutes here in the first.
Grabe. Minaman niya ang depensa ni Perez.
Gone 3 of 4 from the field to start up the game. Taps it outside.
Nako! Turnover tayo dun. Huli ka. Ah, lusot. Naku, turnover na naman yan. Ako, walang kaya mabot. Ba, nadakdak yun? Maliit pa kay Thompson yun ah. Kwame.
To Jefferson. 6 to shoot.
Counted. Bilis mapagod ni ano. Baba. Si JB na ang bahala. JB. Wala. Iangat natin si ano, si Brownlee, no. Pagod na si ano. Si Aram. Ang lalaki din pala nitong ano, no. Mga Jordanian. Grabe naman yung galaw na yon. Shimmy. Eh, si JB naman. Sayang. So, Almasan out. Ay, ano pala, Aram out. Malonzo in. Siya pagbabanta natin kay ano, RJH. Nako. Patay na yan. So, pasok naman natin itong nagbabalik gilas. Terrence Romeo. Naku, naban. Malakas ba dumakdak yun? Pasayawin mo. Uy, sayaw-sayaw. Hawayan. Difficulty ng laro natin mga idol. Hall of Fame, no? Yung pinakamahirap. Kaya kahit mahinang player lumalakas. Kasi naka Hall of Fame tayo. Ah!
Jefferson, he's guarded close. Puts up a three.
Surbol nyo ha.
Shooting coming up very strong.
Ah! Grabe naman yun. Iwan, no? Ay, hindi na pinakita, sayang. Kinaliwa pa. Pasok yan para kay Terrence Romeo.
Gone 3 of 3 from deep. 9 points, 1 up from outside here in the first. Number 23.
Huli ka.
Pushing it up. Takes the assist and lays it in. Kick out.
Pahingin ko ng si ano.
He has 7.
Pasok nga sa Almasan. Rock and roll. At the Kraken. Mga tandem, no?
Six on the shot clock. It's up at 3. The shot clock up. 1:23 in the night. Guys, this offense very effective.
Naku, nabitawan ko. Oh, yari. Ay. Napabitaw agad.
Number 22.
May pasa pa, no?
From outside, off the mark.
Bolik.
7 left to play in the first quarter.
Bolik.
Over the line for 2.
Sabit. Okay, out na muna si JB. Papahingin natin.
Perfect from the line this time.
This is the difference in the game. I mean, they're drawing foul and then converting at the foul line.
1:46 left in the first quarter. Number 23.
Shooter, kakasigaw lang, shooter. Pabab.
2 of 3 shooting from deep here. Number 9.
Team bumawi, wala.
But that 3 is off the mark. A minute 20 left to play in the first. Defensive foul. Second team foul. Shot clock at 6.
Nakaangat lahat yung mga ano nila, no? Diba, ilalim? Lahat may tira sa trip. Wala. Yari pa yun.
Over and over. That was the 9th straight point from behind the arc. But it feels like they're finding the holes in this defense.
Number 1. Misses off the right hand.
Tell you what, they aren't wasting any time getting into the swing of things on the board. Yeah, even though it's early, I mean, that's a great sign for them for the rest of the game.
We've got 33 seconds left in the first. Ripped away. One-on-one here.
Dakdak mo. Mmm.
To finish it off.
Yeah, he didn't even bother to wait around for any help on that play. That was a one-man job all the way, Steve. Who knew what to do with it and when.
Number 23.
Grabe, shooting ng Jordan.
He's got 8
Okay.
seconds left.
Kay Romeo na to. Ay, sayang.
And that concludes a
Okay, score natin 29-27. Lamang tayo ng 2 points sa first quarter. So,
so far it's been a
balik pa rin natin yung nasa mga yung nasa court, no?
so far, guys, from the visiting team. What do you think?
Well, the thing they tried to establish right away was...
Sino ba ba hindi nababasok?
Look at the points in the paint. I think that's...
Ay, mga winger pala natin.
I like the fact, Steve, that they're not settling for the outside shot. I mean, go in there and get what you want. Keep attacking the rim. The defense needs to break out of them, and that's exactly what they did to force that next play.
That'll give you 2 chances at the free throw line here.
Buka natin naman si Navarro. Maaga naman pumasok yan si ano eh, Malonzo.
And so makes points from the line.
Well done again. He doesn't have the same problem some of the NBA's other big men.
Number 22. Brown with his third.
So they haven't been able to open up a big lead, but the rebounds are starting.
Naku. Napatira ako.
Number 1. And he uses the glass on the right.
Big lineup subukan natin. Okay. Ay. Katik pala ni Pardo. Okay. Big lineup tayo dito, no? 6'1 point guard, 6'5 shooting guard, 6'6 small forward, 6'9 power forward, at 6'10 centro. Malaki-laki to. All PBA player to, no? Kaya naman ng PBA. Ayaw lang sumubok, no? Bang! Navarro.
Him on the perimeter is not a priority for this defense, but it will become one if he continues to knock them down.
Wala. Pa-foul.
Number 44. And that one is back on. Gone 1 of 3 to start out the second quarter. To the inside.
Nakagawan tayo dun. Pinasok na agad yung import.
He's up on the floor. They're feeling very confident offensively. Jefferson.
Nakalusot! Teka, shooting guard si Ronday. Hindi pala.
Well, that's how you send it. 2 hands and hammer it down.
Lalabas pa.
And so here's the home team trailing by 5. And we're now a little over 2.5 minutes into the second quarter. Pocket 6. Kicks it to Tucker.
Okay. Nice D.
Going 2 of 4 shooting the ball here in the second. Pass to Navarro. There's the queen.
Pangalawa na yan para kay Navarro.
Assist for a team that is moving on the clinic on how to share the ball. I just love the mentality. The shadows
Nako. Ba't siya nagbabantay? Ba't si Navarro? Talsik. Dinala hanggang ilalim. Grabe naman si minama hanggang ilalim si Optana.
Yeah, no box out is what happened there. Those kind of mistakes on the glass will kill the team.
Mga pasahan.
They have repeatedly probed inside in the first half, guys, and it's paid dividends.
Maya magpapalit, no? Maganda laro nitong 5.
In the paint, they really haven't had to do much on the perimeter.
Naku. Grabe, dakdak yun ah. Wala mo nang nakikita sa Jordan na dumadakdak na gwardiya. Aba! Sumusobra ka na.
That was a nice job taking the strong and forcing his way to the line.
Balik na natin si Brownlee.
And that one goes in. 2 from the line that time. Here's Thompson. Now the pass to Navarro. Turner from three-point range. Gone 4 of 8 so far here in the second quarter. Here's Tucker. Comes up and down low.
and he just ducked in for the layup. Terrific job.
Number 44.
Ang bagal ni Pardo.
Stupendous rush to the rim and a mighty slam on the end of it.
But through the teeth of some pretty soft D. Can't help but say that. Well, we'll see how that impacts things here. Because those kinds of plays sometimes can be game changers on both sides.
Brownlee.
Ay, patay ang butiki.
Not exactly healthy shots to go down here in the second. 5 to 10.
Time out, time out. Nakalapit. Hindi nagde-dead ball. Papasok. May injury pa. Kakapasok mo pa lang.
Gone 36 tonight when they let it fly from downtown. Back to Johnson. He passes to Perez. Brownlee.
That's foul number 2. Sitting in the studio. Another one before halftime.
He's gone 2 for 2 at the line so far.
Well, great focus at the free throw line. Taking care of business.
Bumawi ng timeout on Jordan.
Gone 6 of 11 from the floor. Over 50% shooting here in the second quarter. He's up the pick. Outside Jefferson. Number 44. Nails it in his face.
He's got his legs underneath him because he's having a heck of a quarter.
Pass it to Perez.
Bang! Brownlee.
12 points for him.
Great job from behind the arc this quarter.
Shooting ni Brownlee dito.
60% for the game. I mean, that's smart.
Lo. Yari yan.
This is the reverse. Gone 3 of 5 beyond the arc since the start of the second quarter. Pass to Perez. Jacks up a 3. Against the rebound. He feeds it to Johnson. Fires for 3.
Sayang nyo mga play natin.
15 in the second quarter. Shooting with a 2 50%.
Nadakdakan tayo.
Make it two-handed for safe. That's what they say, right? That's right. He got it. So there's no reason not to be. You might as well remove all doubt, right?
Thompson with it. And there's the pass to Perez. Number 7. What a terrific move that was.
I like the way they got the ball inside there.
Gone 8 of 15 since we began the second quarter. Excellent shooting. Number 44. The center
Shooting nun sa perimeter, no?
he has 6.
The going scoreless is
Puro ganun lang.
really found a way to turn it on here in the second quarter.
Tabi. Uli! Babawi ako.
Dishes it to Johnson. Against the whistle. Contact on the way up and 2 shots count.
Hulihan tayo dun.
To the free throw line for him in this one. That's good from Tucker. No good on the second free throw.
Boy, they're really batting, guys. Not sitting back, being aggressive, attacking when they have the chance. I like that. Yeah, that kind of approach is going to serve them. It's gotten them to the line more than a few times this quarter. I'll tell you what, the defenders didn't even get a sniff of him on that move to the hoop.
1:35 left in the first half. Chipped away. 5 on the clock. And here we go, Thompson.
Dakdaka mo naman. Binali pa.
DL6.
Mahulihan.
His ability to finish, even while absorbing contact, he is so strong. Even with defenders paying.
Naku, ba't walang bantay to?
Steve, some of the best highlights you're ever going to see are when they come from this guy. Every time he steps on the court, there's a chance he'll
Nasundutan na naman ni Jefferson.
John Jefferson.
Huli ka.
One-on-one fast break. Thompson outside. There's the Perez.
Naku, na-steal mo.
Out to Thompson.
Teka, ang gulo na natin.
There's the Perez. Brownlee.
Layo.
Number 5. Off from the left. Brownlee.
Counted!
Gets a chance for a three-point play.
Outstanding job there to absorb the contact and guide it in. That's how you impose your will against the defender. He came to play.
He's had 4 chances at the line. Made them all.
Pasok yan para kay Brownlee. Okay, tapos na ang ating first half. Score natin 57-50.
Briefly, but they
Lamang tayo ng 7 points.
quarter after our halftime.
So skip na natin. Sino mo ng best player sa half? 15 points, Justin Brownlee.
The Sprint halftime report presented
So balik natin first 5 natin, no? First 5 lang. Solid, do. Coach Tab Baldwin. At ang kanyang coach, ang assistant ay si Coach Eric Spoelstra. Ayun, katabi ni Fardo kung nakikita niya. Ayun. Piso.
He's got 8.
Tell you what, it's a huge plus to have him making shots like that.
Inside.
Good offensive possession for him. He's trying to shoulder the load here for his team.
Got all 3 of the shots to fall for him. 3 for 3. Pass to Thompson. Number 6. Back to Thompson. They snipe it. Here's Tucker. And a minute played as the second half gets going. 6 on the shot clock. 2 on the 14-foot. Tucker's got 10. Now back to down for something to play offensively. They've been running out of it. Thompson passes it for us.
No, sinablay mo pa.
It's rebounded by Jefferson. Gone 5 of 8 from three-point line. 15 points and a default for them tonight. Just over a minute and a half to pass during the third quarter. Cut the bucket. 17 points in the game.
That is a tough layup with a guy right on him. Good defense, but better offense.
To the middle.
Solon-solo yun. Hindi nagkaintindihan. Ay bumawi. Hindi nakipag-switch siya, ano.
3 or 4 so far in the third quarter from the field.
Hindi tayo makalayo dito, no.
Number 5.
Huli ka, isa pa.
Here's the break.
Teka, hindi.
Beyond the arc. It's rebounded by Jefferson. Jefferson's got 3 rebounds so far in the game.
Bagal, narangan ako ni Thompson.
That is not what's going to keep them in this league.
I sense a little bit of a relationship.
Thompson outside. He passes it to Rose. 18 feet out. It's rebounded by Tucker.
This quarter is really been off the mark. He just looks a little bit unsettled.
Binali pa.
He's been one of their more reliable options today, guys. I mean, his shooting.
Circus shot para kay Jace. CJ ba? CJ Perez.
Gone even 50% from the floor here in the third quarter. 4 of 8. Feeds it to Jefferson.
Nako, mismatch.
Number 5. From out there with the three-point shot.
Hey, he had all the time in the world to get that shot.
To the paint. The dish to Thompson. From outside the arc. That's good. Thompson's got
10 na kalamangan natin dito
on 5 and 9.
sa Aman Jordan.
So they're getting way too many easy shots in the paint. So this timeout is specifically.
So napatay mo at pasok natin si Malonzo. Pagod na si Eram. Mahina ang baga. Bilis mapagod. 4 minutes pa lang naglalaro.
Necessary effort is good.
And the home team has possession. It's a 10-point game.
Huli ka. Oh. Tibay nun.
He's got 13. Gotten 5 of 8 shots to fall for them in the third quarter. A nice 62% of the field. Number 51. This is the win.
Di mo kayari ito si Huli ka.
His usual softest score. It's actually been ugly to see.
Ayaw talaga.
Brothers on the shot with 2 free throws. That's it right there. This is his second trip to the line for this one. The first one.
Ayun, nakabutas din.
And he makes both free throws. Doing well here in the third, about 50%. He kicks it to Jefferson. Stolen by Thompson. Here's Perez. Takes it to the teeth of the Indian, completes the layup. He's got 12.
He's one of the best in the league at that. Even with just a tiny sliver, he always seems to find a way to get up and in.
And that goes out of bounds. The deep possession.
So, substitute muna kay Thompson. Pasok si Romeo. Nako. Ang lalakas niya dumakdak. Kinapos si Perez.
That'll give them the boost they're looking for to
Grabe, ang tataas pala tumulin itong mga to.
if that doesn't fire them up, I don't know what will.
Gone 1 of 2 from beyond the arc since coming out of the break. And the pass to Perez. Shot clock at 5. Number 51. And he has it straight in. 11 points in the game.
Purely from a size standpoint, that is a mismatch that's going to be hard to overcome defensively.
Number 4.
Huli ka. Sayang.
Get to the line and shoot 2. It's his first trip to the line. At the mark for 2. That free throw, no good. And he misses the
Ba, bugok. Dalawang sablay.
Plus 5 advantage for them in the rebounding category after that trade. Very steady work they've been doing on the interior. No question. That's the main reason they have this lead.
And the second free throw, good. Nice out, 6 of 11 when shooting here in the third quarter. Number 1.
Patay yan.
They got it back. Gone 7 of 11, lucky field goal percentage here in the third. Down low.
Lo. Kay Malonzo yun ah.
Now Jefferson. He's got 8. Good on the
Ang laki.
transition. Well, I like the energy they play with offensively and in the open court.
Okay, napatay mo itong Jordan.
For a little bit, it's taking the time to do so right here. I think you're right. He didn't like some of the things he saw out there. A bit uncomfortable and wanted to talk it over. That's all you.
Huli ka!
That'll increase their rebounding back. They've definitely been winning that battle on the board.
Tabi, 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 tabi. Tabi, Malonzo!
Number one. They don't have much touch on the Bucks. 9 points in the game so far.
Some defensive breakdowns are starting to show up now. Their last 4 buckets allowed have come from very close range.
Giving up these easy chances is going to do wonders for their confidence.
Sige.
Shot clock at 6. Can't get it to go.
And this has not been a quarter for him to remember.
Yeah, it sure has, Steve. I mean, he's been doing this invisible man impersonation here, hasn't he?
Ah, huli.
Jefferson hit the block. Number 15.
Mismatch. Okay, lumulobo na kalamangan natin dito mga idol.
Very smart with the lead.
16 points na.
Very selective and deliberate on the
Ah, tama ba?
That's a good strategy.
14 lang pala.
To the paint. Here's the break.
Lala. Turnovers pa tuloy. Paasa na si Rock and Roll. Labas si Brownlee. Pahingahin muna natin. Oh. Ba? Hindi pinapahinga si Alice Jefferson.
13
Ah.
of their shots. 6 of 13.
Huli ka.
Seconds left to play in the fourth. Number 1. Teams the shot in the lane.
Ah, 2 points.
11 points in the game.
Ah, patungtong.
Number 44.
The rebounding has been off the charts today, guys. Reason number 1 this game is ideal.
Exactly. And the score is right where you'd expect it to be. The battle on the boards is that lopsided.
Shoot that all the way.
5 to shoot. To the middle.
Ay. Patay.
And he wins the break. Here's Jefferson.
This is just too close of a game to be giving the ball up like that and then failing to get back in transition.
Number 1. And the Noah has 2. He's got 13.
Pangat ang bali.
And here at the end of the first quarter, it's a double-digit ball. And we're getting underway here in the fourth quarter. The scoreboard tells the story in this matchup, but we'll see how much things change up here. And here is Jefferson. Number 23. Offensive rebound. Number 44. He's hit again.
Lakas.
As he misses, he'll bring the line to shoot 2.
Walang pahingahan to ah.
The first free throw is good. So he gets them both.
Ay, ito maganda to.
Gotten a lot of looks outside tonight. 5 of 12. Number 1. And so he draws the shot. To shoot 2. 2 shots.
Pretty clean. Got him good there.
That one is no good. On 6 and 14 with the full ball smash.
Dinakdakan.
Almost got to that
defended by Jefferson. Unloads. Hits the jumper.
My, he is so adept at finishing in the low post.
Gone 1 of 3 from the field to start the fourth quarter. Ball's not loose. Shoots it clean. Hits it to go.
He has shot the ball over. It's not been contagious. His teammates, they haven't had the same rule. That's why they look at this result so far.
And the first one at the line is good. And so he hits both. Just over a minute played here in the fourth. It's rejected. Just about 1.5 minutes gone by here in the fourth. Number 22. It's rebounded by Navarro. Been impressively throughout at 62%. Number 9.
Hindi makayari si ano, Balik. Patay tayo dyan.
It's rebounded by Navarro.
Buti nananablay.
They've been the stronger team.
Open eh, no?
Tells you all you need to know.
Yeah, not to mention what it says on the
Alo! Ano yun?
physically at this point.
Gone 1 of 2 from three-point range here in the fourth. Number 22. But he stays with it. Jefferson.
Kobe! Pull up na yun. Hirap bantayan na.
We have 2.5 minutes in the books here in the fourth. Passes it to Navarro. For the three. It's rebounded by Jefferson. And so back as it goes. And there it's
Bata, 12 points lang pala si Ronde.
inside. Number 3.
Ganda naman nun.
Right and sends it home. Well, now they're just going to town.
Yeah, you'd think these defenders would have done a little more to put a stop to that stuff, Kevin, but so far, no go.
Well, a phenomenal aerial assault there, fellas.
Here's the turnover. It's going out of bounds.
Such a careless pass. You've got to keep your head in the game here.
Gone 2 for 5 on field goal attempts in the fourth quarter. Pass to Navarro. And we're about 3.5 minutes into the fourth quarter.
Kinalabaw!
To the rim for the win.
8 of the last 10 points at that end of
Pinwersa ni Navarro.
the shots.
And it's not necessarily strategic, Mark. It's just a matter of playing with more heart. You got to play hard.
Number 23.
Timeout tayo, timeout.
Fourth overall, so he's having a nice game.
Balik ko na pala si Kuame, no?
Let's catch up with Doris from the sideline.
Hi, Kevin. The head coach for the Blue had some instruction for his guys during that last break. He laid out the X's and O's and told them, we're still alive, guys. We've just got to work together, trust each other, and play our backsides off. Kevin, we'll see if they've got enough in the tank to get over the top.
The pass to Navarro. 16 feet away, and he gets the jumper to drop.
You know, that part of the floor, guys, is more or less his real sweet spot, right in his wheelhouse.
Uy! Huli ata tayo din. Uy!
That makes it 10 of their last 12
Ganda laro ni Romeo, no?
inside the painted area.
Pero pahinga ka na.
The defense has to put a stop, so maybe a defensive adjustment is necessary.
Saka si Bolik.
Now here's Jefferson. 6 to shoot. Number 5. Number 15. And they will break the best of the Bucks.
He got there late, but you do have to like the aggressiveness to go after the block. But that one's going to count.
Gotten off to an 0 for 2 start from downtown here in the fourth quarter. This is looking to block. Thompson outside. That's going to block. And so he ends up jumping it off. Officials saw the contact, and he'll shoot 2. He'll go on the free throw. 26 the second. Gone 2 or 3 in the fourth quarter from one range for shooting so far.
So parang nga pala sa mga bago pa lang sa ating channel dyan, no? Ay, nadakdakan tayo. Subscribe na kayo mga idol kung gusto nyo ng ganitong content, no? FIBA. Dito wala tayong hagop rule kung makikita nyo. Kaya napagsasama-sama natin yung mga naturalized player at yung mga ineligible sa FIBA. Pero syempre hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, no? Or sa Gilas. Pinalakas din natin yung ibang country na hindi eligible yung mga malalakas nilang player. Kumbaga pag meron kang lahing ganito, pwede ka maglaro doon kahit nakapaglaro na talaga siya sa tunay na buhay, no? Sa ibang bansa. Para lahat lumalakas, hindi lang Gilas. Kumbaga dream team sa dream team ang labanan dito. Ito ang tinatawag na World Cup. Huli. Lumilipad tong point guard nila, ano? Kung di tayo takdakan, sinusupal pa lang tayo. Pero wala ka nito.
He had that play ready to go. Well done on the inbound. Gone through the fourth quarter shooting 50%, 7 of 14. Outside Jefferson. Pocket 6. Number 5. He's covered by Thompson.
Ah, nakakahilo yun.
Beats the shot. Can't get it to fall.
Nakakahilo yung ginawa na. Snoring nga natin. Grabe, no? Nahihilo din ako sa ginawa niya. Naku, bitin. Gandun lang.
And that's certainly been the case today. Their rebounding has made a huge difference.
Getting off to an 0 for 2 start from downtown here in the fourth quarter.
My bad, my bad. Kala nyo kayo lang dumadakdak, ha?
Clark at his position who can get to the rim like that.
Yeah, he goes very vertical on you, Kevin. And once he's up there, you know he's going to throw it down hard.
Gone 8 of 16 from the field in the fourth, exactly 50%.
Parang di nag-gel yung ano, no? Dalawa na lang import, no? Si Tucker, konti lang din ang puntos. Yata. Parang di na puntos masyado.
Stolen away. And here's the first play. Out at the court. And 2 free throws coming up as he misses that one. Drawing the whistle on the right. Good from Vernon. Auburn falls, so he hits both of them. Gone 2 or 3 in the fourth quarter from long range. Good shooting so far. Number 5. He's covered by Thompson. Number 5. The 17 from both now.
They have to mix it up defensively. That was just too easy.
It's Thompson off the drive.
Ano ba yan?
And away we go. Here's Jefferson. Smooth as shot.
Grabe, nawawala yung bola.
shoot. He's got 19.
Mukhang sigurado na si JB sa pagpanalo ng Gilas dito. Pero mahaba pa to, no? 2 minutes. Marami pang pwede mangyari.
To a parade to the foul line.
Kaso pag Hall of Fame, mga idol, itong ayoko sa Hall of Fame, no? Ang hirap niyang kalaban sa first hanggang third quarter, no? Pero pagpasok ng fourth quarter, tapos lamang kayo, lalo na pag last 2 minutes, nabobobo yung mga kalaban. Patay. Sureball Brownlee.
It should be a stroll to the final whistle from here. Yeah, this late in the game, it'll be almost impossible for them to blow a lead like this.
Oh, here's Jefferson. Defense right on.
That's one he knows he should have made.
Got the three-point bugs, and I think taking 15 shots outside the arc. 6 of 15. Brownlee.
Heat check.
Well, that puts the nail in the coffin. A clinic in terms of how to play with the lead right there.
Number 15. Can't cash in from close range. Got the three-point shot off 16 times tonight. 7 times they've hit it. 9 times they've missed.
Brownlee na naman. Wala.
59 seconds left in the fourth quarter. A second chance effort. It's rebounded by Jefferson. Gone 2 of 3 in the fourth
Kukulan open.
quarter so far.
Huli ka.
And they retain possession.
Bawal yan kay Ange Kwame. Nga pala, no, bago tayo matapos, shout out sa lahat ng may-ari ng mod na to, no?
So here's the home team.
Mula sa Cyberface, sa jersey, gumawa ng mga jersey yan, Stadium Court, saka sa pinagbasihan ng roster natin, no? Kay FIBA Head Trip. May nilabas din yan bagong ano, no? FIBA mod, pero ito, sarili na nating edit kasi to eh.
Sit loose.
Matagal ko nang in-edit to, kumbaga wala pang World Cup. Pinuno ko na yung ibang mga team niya na wala pang muka
High post.
No excuses there. Got a really good look.
para malaro natin, no?
Freed up by the pick. We say it all the time.
Ano ba yan? Puro ka.
Result not as good, but good ball movement anyway.
Brownlee.
Unwritten rule, wala pong ganyan sa FIBA, mga idol. So, sino ang best player? Na ito, napalakpak na. Walang iba kundi si Justin Brownlee yata, syempre. Tagal, ha? Justin Brownlee, syempre. Hindi natin pwede panoorin, no, kasi may kanta. Makaka-copyright tayo. So, tingnan muna natin ang stats nila. Simulan natin si Jordan Al-Awadi, 16 points, 4 3-pointer. Ito pala yung sureball kanina pa. Ibrahim, 15 points. Rondé Hollis Jefferson, 14 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 blocks. Hindi na ba daw ng 3-point, no? Itong si Ahmet, hirap banggitin ng pangalan, ay Piliedo, 12 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists. Laki niyan. Si Abbas, 12 points. Dart Tucker, 8 lang ang binitaw, no? Siguro hindi sila magkaulam ni RHJ. Pero silang scorer. Abu Hawas, 5 points, 4 points, 3, 2, at dalawang scoreless sa kanila. Tingnan natin overall nila, no? Ito yung overall, yung katabi ng age. Yan to, age 28. Tapos yung overall 66. Yan ang ratings nila sa 2K FIBA dito. So 66 lang. Ibrahim 64, 75 Rondé Hollis Jefferson, syempre the ex-NBA player yan. Si Ahmet 69, malakas. Si Abbas 70, alam ko Euro player to. Sa Europe naglalaro to. Tucker 73, syempre Import nila Abuawas 65, Obid 64, 64, 59. 59 lang pala to. 62 at 65. Sino yung nadakdak dito? Ito pala yung nadakdak, no? Lumilipad, 5'11 lang. So ito naman sa Gilas Pilipinas, Justin Brownlee 28 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 5 of 7 sa 3-point. Pambira ang sureball mo. Romeo 17 points din, 2 assists. CJ 16 points. Yan. Kwame 14 points, naka 14 din pala to. 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steal, 1 block. Navarro 9 points, 2 of 4 sa 3-point. Thompson 9 points, 5 assists, 4 steal, 2 blocks. Kaunti lang rebound niya, no? Pero all around talaga. Two-way player. Hindi lang sa opensa, pang depensa din. Almasan 8 points, 3 rebounds. Isang sablay. Aftana, walang sinablay, 4 points, 2 assists. Malonzo 4 points, wala rin sablay. Fardo din 4 points, 2 pero 5 rebounds at 1 assist, steal at block. Bolik, ang malas ni Bolik. Kundi pa yata naka free throw to, no? Naka free throw nga. 3 sa 3-point, walang naipasok. Si Eram 2.6 rebounds. So lahat umambag talaga, no? Tingnan natin ang overall natin. 75 Justin Brownlee, Romeo 65, Perez 66, Kwame 67, Navarro 64, Thompson 66, Almasan 65, Oftana 63, 63, Malonzo 66, at si Pardo 67, Bolik 65. Yan, si Eram 64. So hindi rin medyo match talaga, no? Kasi yung sa kabila, ganun din ng mga mas marami pa nga silang line of 7, 3. Tas malakas pa tong si Amet sentro nila. Si Pardo, lang naman eh. Sa atin, dalawa lang ang line of 7. Si Kwame, 67 lang pala. Isa lang pala. So, bali, binuwatan talaga tayo ni Brownlee. So, comment lang kayo mga idol kung sino gusto nyo mga kalaban sa susunod natin video. Pwedeng Asian team, European team, American, at African, no? So, yun lang.